the vowel family. A, E, I, O, U. A for apple. Let's count apples. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples, 5 apples. E for elephant. Let's count elephants. 1 elephant, 2 elephants, 3 elephants, 4 elephants, 5 elephants. I for ice cream. Let's count ice cream. 1 ice cream, 2 ice creams, 3 ice creams, 4 ice creams, 5 ice creams. O for orange. Let's count oranges. 1 orange, 2 oranges, 3 oranges, 4 oranges, 5 oranges. U for umbrella. Let's count umbrellas. 1 umbrella, 2 umbrellas, 3 umbrellas, 4 umbrellas, 5 umbrellas.